Hi guys, this is Miss D. We're going to be looking at the Unit 6, Day 7 worksheet on the back. And we're going to start with number 6. So it gives us 6x plus 15y equals negative 45 and 6x plus 5y equals negative 35. And we want to solve this system by using the elimination method, or the addition method. So to do that, we're going to need one of these 6x's to be a positive and the other to be a negative. So we can multiply a negative 1 through one of the equations. So let's just multiply it in the first equation. Then we're going to just put it below our second. So we get negative 6x minus 15y equals 45. So then we want to use the elimination method, so we're going to eliminate 6x minus 6x, and then we're going to add the rest of the terms. So we have 5y minus 15y, which gives us minus 10y, equals negative 35 plus 45 is 10. So we want to solve for y, so we can divide both sides by negative 10, and we get y equals negative 1. So now we want to find what our x value is using that y value we just found. So we can plug that y value into either of our equations. So I'm just going to plug it into the second one. So we have 6x plus 5 times negative 1 equals negative 35. So we can bring that 6x down. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5 equals negative 35. Then we can add 5 to both sides, and we get 6x equals negative 30. And then solve for x, we divide both sides by 6, and we get x equals negative 5. So our solution is negative 5, negative 1, which we can find on the front and fill in the letter on the phone, but I'm just going to do number 10 for you guys. So moving on to number 10, we have 16x minus 5y equals negative 33, and 16x plus y equals negative 51. So we need one of these 16x's to be negative while the other is positive, so we can multiply one of these through by a negative 1. I'm just going to multiply the first one through by a negative 1, and we're going to rewrite it right underneath. So we have negative 16x plus 5y equals 33. Then we can do that elimination by adding, and then we can add the rest. So we have y plus 5y is 6y equals negative 51 plus 33 is negative 18. Divide both sides by 6. We get y equals negative 3. Then we want to find our x value. So to do that, we can plug our y value into either of our two equations. I'm just going to plug it into the second equation. You can pick the first, though, if you want. So plugging into the second, we get 16x plus a negative 3 equals negative 51. So we can just rewrite that without the parentheses. So we have 16x minus 3 equals negative 51. Then we can add 3 to both sides, and we get 16x equals negative 48. Divide both sides by 16. And we get x equals negative 3 when we use our calculator. So now we have our x and we have our y, so our solution is negative 3, negative 3, which we can find on the front of the sheet. Alright, so that's it for this video.